Have you ever seen two men striving for success? One kept talking about it, while the other kept building it. Guess who made it? Let me tell you the story of two men, David and Edwin, who stood at the edge of a cliff, staring at the island of success. A broken bridge lies in front of them. Both must cross the broken bridge to reach success. But how they walk the journey will make all the difference. David is always thinking and planning, but he's overconfident. Edwin, on the other hand, stays simple, focused, and consistent. David draws big blueprints, calculates angles, dreams of shortcuts. Edwin picks up wood and starts rebuilding the bridge, one plank at a time. David wanted the best design, strong, stylish, efficient. Edwin, on the other side, just wanted to move forward. David says, "I'll build the perfect bridge, but I need to plan it first. Maybe tomorrow." Edwin says, "I'll start with what I have today." David keeps erasing and redrawing the plan he made to build the bridge. Edwin sweats, but the bridge begins to take shape. Some people laugh at them. "Why are you building bridges? There's probably an easier way." David doubts himself and revisits his plan again. Edwin hears the voices but tightens his grip on the hammer. When a heavy storm hits, David's incomplete structure collapses. He stood there, devastated. All that planning gone to waste. Edwin had built slowly but solidly. He uses the storm as rest and reflects on what to improve. The storm didn't stop either man. It revealed who was building for the weather and who was only dreaming of sunshine. When the timer hits 0, Edwin completes his bridge and walks across confidently. David panics, rushes to finish, attempts to jump and falls short. Edwin, already on the island of success, throws a rope back down. He helps David up. Both men work together now, reinforcing the bridge to help others cross. One built with his hands, one learned through his fall. Together, they now lead others toward the same path. Success isn't built by talking, planning, or waiting for the perfect moment. It's built by consistent action, even with imperfect tools. Don't wait for the perfect plan. It rewards the one who keeps building. Start with what you have. The bridge to success is built by one plank, one lesson, one choice at a time. And remember, true leaders not only reach success, they help others cross too. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational stories.